Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this simple glitch text effect in Premiere Pro, so let's get started. Alright, I've already created a full HD resolution sequence. First of all, let's select the type tool and click somewhere on the program monitor, and then type anything that you want. After that, we can switch over to the selection tool by clicking this icon. Now we can move over to the Essential Graphics panel to change some text settings. You can change the font stuff, font size, and color of your text. After that, we have to select the center alignment icon to align the text horizontally and vertically to the center of the screen. And then, right-click on the text layer. After that, choose Nest from the context menu. I'm going to call this text placeholder, and then click on OK. In the next step, we need some assets to create the glitch text effect. I already have some assets on my computer. You can download all these assets using the link provided in the video description. After that, I'm going to drag and drop all the assets inside the project panel. Now we have to drag and drop the text reveal file onto the timeline in video layer 2. As you can see, this is a white glitch matte file. Let's move over to the effects panel to apply a track matte key effect. Let's drag and drop the track matte key effect onto the text placeholder. After that, we need to go to the effect controls panel to customize the track matte key effect. Now, I'm going to select the second track as the matte layer because the white glitch matte layer is in the video layer 2. Now you can see the glitch effect inside the text. In the following step, let's drag and drop the element file onto the timeline in video layer 3. Now I'm going to add a zoom-in animation to the text for a more dynamic effect. To do this, let's start by creating a new adjustment layer in the project panel. Here, we have to accept the same settings as the sequence. Let's drag and drop the adjustment layer onto the timeline in video layer 4. Now let's move over to the effects panel to apply a transform effect. Let's drag and drop the transform effect onto the adjustment layer. After that, we need to go to the effect controls panel to customize the transform effect. Firstly, we need to create keyframes for the scale parameter by clicking on the stopwatch icon. And then, let's make the scale parameter value around 90. And then, let's move the first keyframe to the beginning of the adjustment layer. After that, let's create another keyframe with a value around 95. Next, move the second keyframe to the end position of the adjustment layer. Alright, now we are done. With these couple of steps, we have created this glitch text effect. Lastly, we need to incorporate the glitch text sound effect to enhance the visual experience. In this way, you can create a glitch text effect in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro.